Hey guys, my name is Levi and on this channel I am going to show you thousands of ways to spend your days off doing things that gives maximum fun.
I will show you action-packed videos of amazing theme parks, beautiful scenery, great mountain slopes on my ski holidays, crazy fun water parks and other awesome leisure activities. I've been doing all these things for the vast majority of my life, but I never filmed a minute of it until a friend of mine said, "Hey, why aren't you combining filmmaking with leisure?" As I'm a professional filmmaker and do a lot of client work, I already had the gear and experience to do so. I thought, why not? Let's give it a shot. So I started this journey in December 2018, and I can't wait to see where this YouTube roller coaster takes me. My goal for now is to make more awesome high quality videos that you guys enjoy. If you like unique, beautiful and fun content, then you've come to the right place. Please join me by subscribing and enjoy the ride. Welcome to Leisure Levi.